Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you quickly how to reset Photoshop settings. Now there are two ways. First way will be, I will show you, go to your edit menu and in edit menu, preferences, and here you will click on general. Now this is the first method. Now second method is press from your keyboard Control plus K. Okay, and you will be here. Now you will see two options here: reset all warning dialogues and reset preferences on quiet. Simply click here and click on OK and then OK, and restart your Photoshop, and it will reset all your setting of your Photoshop. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo for more educational videos.